Hey bird lovers, welcome to A Hen Beauty. Keeping our feathered friends happy and engaged is key to a peaceful home. Today, we're counting down the 10 best parrot toys tested for chewing, foraging, and real-life cage setups. Let's dive in. First up, the Mutogo Extra Large Toy, a jungle gym for big, energetic parrots. For serious beak workouts, the Deliky Heavy Duty Wood Tower is a min's pets. Mineral blocks offer gentle daily enrichment and help with beak grooming. Next, encourage natural instincts with Yixon's Corn Cob and Loofah Toy Perfect for shredding. The WQY Grocery Shop Swing is a center stage star for macaws and cockatoos. For calmer chewers, the Qcont toy offers organic, peppered wood textures. Don't forget perches. The Lemu 6-piece set turns any cage into a mini forest, improving grip and posture. The Ookt Calcium Stone is great for beak grinding with a gentle bell for fun. For realistic foraging, try the Bibianrongi toy with nuts and fibers. And finally, the Katumo spinning spoons are perfect for curious, sound-loving parrots. Remember, more play means less stress. Match toys to your bird's species and play style. Find all 10 picks with full reviews and safety tips on ahenbeauty.com. Thanks for watching.